Hello guys, it's Mananda the Goat here guys. So okay guys, we're gonna be looking at Nasdaq. So I'll start looking at Nasdaq at the bigger time frame, which is the monthly. So as you could see guys, on the monthly time frame, I will highlight my what, I will highlight my higher side, and then the nearest lower low of the structure. So guys, again, one thing that you need to notice is Nasdaq has been an uptrend. So from the monthly guys, we have to go to our weekly. So this is how it is on the weekly guys. So there was nothing surprising about what price did, because if you have to check nicely guys, from let's say here we have 1 2 3. So this 1 2 3 is the one which made the market to do what? To buy. Again, on the upper level we have this. So guys, there was a break of structure in the bigger time frame. So from the weekly guys, we have to head to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, there isn't much to be changed, guys. You just have to adjust your trends. Understand? You just have to adjust your trends. You have to adjust your trends. Okay, it's fine, guys. Now we're on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Based on the 4-hour, guys, I'll remove the upper trend line because it will like disturb my analysis. So with the upper trend line, guys, you can get your 1 2 3, but there was a break. So I'm not gonna force things here, guys. I'm not yet sure what will happen, but then let's have that level there as an important zone. But then, guys, if you were to check, as I said, Nasdaq has been an uptrend. So price was going and it was coming here, going and coming here. So I'll just do what? I'll just increase my trend. I'll increase my trend. We might see price coming here, guys, and then goes up. So from here, guys, I have to go to the 1 hour. So as you could see the situation on the 1 hour, guys, always adjust your trend line, guys. You need to like always put your trend lines in the proper way. Just like this, there's enough touches. So what's interesting, guys, is prices moving in impulse correction, and then impulse, and then another correction. So now, guys, we're in a tricky level, you know. So from where price is right now, let's hope price gives us a little bit of a correction, and then after we have that correction, guys, that's when I could say we will do it. We're gonna go to the upside, because price has been repeating the same patterns for a lot of time. Remember, when you're trading, you need to have a target. So when the setup is like this, guys, my target has to be around that level, and always set a tight stop loss, which is somewhere around that level. So this is my prediction on Nasdaq, guys. I'm just gonna end it on the 1 hour because I've seen the structure. Like once you see the structure, you can never unsee it, guys. So okay, now let's look at okay, we did Nasdaq. Now we're going to do vix75. vix75 video couple. We're now doing vix75, guys. So on vix75, guys, I'm waiting for the. It's still loading. I'm with you guys. We're just waiting on vix75. It's relaxed. I don't know why it's relaxed. Yeah, I think it finally opened. So here we're gonna check on vix75, guys. Yeah, there is vix75. So with vix75, guys, let's start our analysis on the what? On the daily. This is the daily time frame on vix75, guys. Okay, so these being the daily, I'll have to highlight the highest height. This is the highest height. And then this has to be the lower low of the structure. Okay, guys. This one is I think it's an easy one. Okay, we have that 1, 2, 3 drop there. And if you were to come to the lower low, guys, you also have something like that. So we're gonna go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, guys, without fear or favor, everything is just visible on the 4-hour, guys. Okay. First confirmations that I'm having is the touches that we have. We had 1, 2, 3. We're back for the 4th time. And when price was reaching a certain level, always this level is the most respected level. But again, price decided to show you a what? Show you a pattern. What kind of a pattern is it? It's a head and shoulder. A head and shoulder pattern. So you just have to wait for price to reach that level. And this is your target, guys, you know. So with this one, I'm not gonna go deep into it because, guys, you can already see the structure. You know, so on the next videos that I'll be doing, guys, I'll add more of entries, you know. Because a lot of you guys, you can trade, but your entries are icon. They're not in a good state of mind. So you need to work on your entries, guys, you know. If you work on your entries and then you're done. Okay, and let's do this one. I think it's loved by the people. Volatility 100. So with volatility 100, guys, as I'm in the daily time frame. Volatility 100 is different from the others. You can't even tell what's happening here. That's fine. So guys, here we were supposed to have a double top, but then it failed, you know. And then I'll come here and highlight these as the what, as the lower low of the structure. So okay guys, from there I'll move to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, that's where I think price is starting to be clear and it shows you what will happen. Okay. Let's see guys, as we have the trend 1, 2, let's hope that's the third touch, but don't rush to enter this trade. Okay, on the low we have these. Let's see how it is guys. So, okay, let's go to the 1 hour and see. So on the 1 hour guys, it looks promising, you know. It looks promising that we might do what we might come down, you know, because we have enough touches. And then you could see there at the top where it was that it drops, you know. So guys, most of the time the market makers they're too wise. They know somewhere around this level. A lot of people were looking for selling positions. But then there comes the what, the market theory. So if you can check, we have first touch there, we have second touch here, and then we have the last touch, which is the third touch on that level. So people were were caught in the wrong side of the market, hoping that they will take this double bottom, the double top. So what you have to just wait for is, if you're a risk entry trader, you can enter now. But then if you're the reduced risk entry, don't enter now because we have to go impulse, correction, impulse correction. So that's our target, guys, you know. So that's our target. So when you have it like this, there is nothing much to be done anymore. You've already seen the structure. As I always say, guys, in my videos, once you see these things, you can't unsee them. It's like I'm always trading what's in the textbook, you know, guys, because there's nothing special about my analysis, you know. So I can sometimes even take this one and go up, and then we flip it. There's a thing called flip. You see? You can flip this thing. Now it's a process, guys. So here we're ending on this time frame. Guys, when you're alone, you need to do a trading journal, you know, where you see your mistakes, what went wrong, what what could you have done to like save. So okay guys, here is it. This was I think I did Nasdaq, I did vix75, now I'm doing vix100. After these ones, I don't know what I'll be doing. Okay, let's see. Let's just try VIX10. I've never traded those VIX10s. I don't know how they even operate. Try stress. Yes, so okay guys, I'm now on VIX10. So on VIX10, clearly I have a nice low. Okay. I could say this is my height because I don't want to complicate my setups. So we have these here, guys. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, which is nice. So from here, I'm gonna move to the 4-hour. Me being on the 4-hour, guys, it helps me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So right now, what I'm waiting for is price to do what? Price to break that certain level, you know? So if we break going to the downside, remember, we have the 90% of the what? Of the structure, which is that one. But then like, if it goes up, also remember we have that. Do you get what I'm saying, guys? So, but then the way I'm looking at it, I think the more chances that will happen, it's price going down. Let's check 1 hour. Yeah, even on the 1 hour, guys, this is a clear pattern. This is a clear pattern. So with this pattern, I think on this pattern, we're gonna break and give us a what? A retest and shoot down. That's how I see it, guys. That's how I look at it, guys, you know. Yeah, but yeah, there has to be these. Let's do the last one, guys. I'll be uploading this video on YouTube. Crash 500. Now I'm on Crash 500. So on Crash 500, hello. Can't really say much about it, guys, because you can tell by looking at the structure, you can tell that there is no hope here. But okay, let's try to get hope on it, guys, you know. All right. I think everything is still going accordingly. So there's a breakout there. So when there's a breakout, guys, we have to use this portion too. As you could see, guys, here, this is the this is the head, guys. This is the left shoulder. That's the left shoulder. You see, guys, this is just the left shoulder forming a right shoulder, and then it means we're going up. You see, so we're going up. There's a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. The take profit level has to be under 90% rule. So okay guys, from me when under the gold, signing up. I hope you enjoy the video, like and subscribe. I'll be posting every day guys. I'm out.